Hello, Dr. Staff. How are you today?
I'm well. How are you, Dr. Laughlin?
I'm very well. Thank you for taking a couple minutes to talk about your upcoming course or part of course at the A&M annual meeting for the Hot Topics in Neuromuscular Literature. And I understand you're presenting on Wednesday morning and covering the topic of ALS and motor neuron disease. So tell me a little bit about what you are going to be covering in those hot topics.
Yeah, so I mean, obviously, as it is for any hot topics course, one can't cover everything. So I tried to narrow it down to some articles that would be useful for a practicing clinician. And so kind of broke it up into some specific areas. I have a couple papers about EMG and ALS, some about prognosis and diagnosis in ALS, and also pulled in primary lateral sclerosis or PLS. And then really try to go through the most recent kind of high profile clinical trials that have been going on in ALS and kind of where we're going to go after that.
Well, it sounds like you're covering quite a wide gamut in a short amount of time. And obviously for the clinician who's seeing these patients, it appears relevant, but is there an audience that you think this really focuses towards, or is it more broad-based?
I think it's really designed for people who see patients with ALS, at all ends of the spectrum, whether that's as an electromyographer or as somebody, a neuromuscular physician, or somebody who runs an ALS clinic for that matter.
Well, that sounds great. Well, I mean, there's been a lot that has been up and coming in that field, and we've all been really excited to hear about the new options for treatment, potentially, and different platform treatments. So we're looking forward to hearing your talk, and thank you for taking the time today to briefly go over what you'll be covering.
I look forward to it. Thank you.
Thank you.